Yeah, once your car gets towed in and repossessed, either redo the papers on your car, get with the car dealer at the Toyota, Des Moines, or wherever it is, Dewey, Stivers, Ford. Yeah. Once your car gets repossessed, you can redo the paperwork on it. Yeah, you wait until you get all your paperwork in, and then you go ahead. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. You check your budget insurance, and then you check the ADLDOT, the eye vision. Yeah. Okay. You check the eye vision, and you see what level it is, and you go to the eye doctor, and then you have that eye doctor has a little level of the lights, the eye vision. Yeah. Okay, he'll go, was it at that level? Was it at that level? Was it at that level? Okay. Yeah. Just keep missing the eye vision. You know, when you go take the test at the ADLDOT or Ankeny or wherever it is, you keep missing the eye vision. You gotta pass that eye vision. But yeah, I passed it, yeah. Okay. You ain't looping it. You ain't messing you ain't hitting it. Okay. When you go to the DOT. No, ain't no officer gonna get a work order from a car dealer or, yeah. No, it ain't gonna happen. Yeah, no, he won't get a work order from the Adel, DOT, or Ankeny. So yeah, it went through. Okay. Yeah. But that's through a car dealer. So on those car loans, when you get a car loan, it goes through the car dealer, and all that, you go down on the car, yeah. Okay. They're supposed to do all the paperwork at the plant there, Toyota Des Moines, yeah, or do whatever. Texas Bank and then Santander. Yeah. All right. Yep. Go for it. Okay. So, other than that, everything's going good there, And I just don't see it, them going through the DOT. Yeah. All right. Okay. All right, yeah. Once car gets repossessed, then they do all the paperwork again. You gotta wait. Yeah. That's why I like everything all done. Get a loaner and then pay it all once. Yeah, I redo this shit again. Yeah, I wait. Yeah. Okay. All right, thanks. Yep. Okay, text me back. I'm gonna try to hit a couple other car lots that would approve it. Yeah, I'll try to get it and then go from there. Okay, thanks. Yeah.